Back again, back again, back again. Oh, what a London session. What a London session. That was not nice this morning. Not nice. But I did take some GJ sells. Recover them losses. It's going nicely at the moment. Secured 20 pips. Let me switch screens so you guys can see the move. Because the sells did look good. Very, very, very crazy play. All right, let me switch where we at. Okay. So gold is still bearish. We've broken yesterday's low. I'm kind of retracing and pulling up from the lows. And this 4-hour support. Now this current 4-hour didn't break that previous low. And if it breaks the high, I think we get a little bit more of a pullback, but I'm still cautious of either this 4-hour or the next one creating a higher low in this structure and selling back down. So I'm not going to put the sells past gold today. But look at this range that we've been dealing with all London session. Horrible, crazy range. And then we did take a small L. Where was it? It was this continuation pattern right here. Price pushed up, closed above this resistance. None of this was here yet. Closed above. Then we got this continuation wick, this continuation candle. Got in at the break of this high, pushed up about 10-13 pips, and then it just retraced, slammed right back down to support. That was the first trade today, but like I said, I still think we get a push up before it comes down. So I'm looking for the next 4-hour candle to either open, respect the previous high, and then maybe retrace. So that's something I'm looking for. On gold, right, so this is the trade that I'm in. It wasn't based on the 15. It was actually based on the 30-minute as per usual. So price came up after the stream. We took a loss on this lovely bullish candle right here, second L, but we broke the low. We actually closed below this support here, broke the low, pushed down a little bit, but unfortunately price just shot back up. Did manage to reduce risk and loss, and then we got this retracement up into this resistance, tapped it, fell back down, didn't get the closure below, but I did take an impulse entry and use the previous 15 or the current 15. I reduced the stop, so my stop loss was the entry candle high, 20 pips, and then I reduced it, and now I've got the position just running to support. So if it hits that support, I'm just below break even for the day. So if I get this 28 pips back, how much am I down? I didn't put it in. So this morning it's about 20, maybe like 10-15 pips down for the day, which isn't crazy considering stop losses were like 36 pips down to 18, and then it was about 40 pips down to about 20-25. So yeah, managed risk pretty well today, if I must say so myself. You ever been eating something and then go back to get more and then realize you finished it? That's what I'm dealing with right now. Funny. Gold, gold, gold. I would love to take some gold buys, but I just, all of this here, these wicks, they've all faked me out all morning. The whole morning. It's been nasty business. Today, yesterday. So yeah, I'm not gonna take any gold buys just yet. I can see the next candle just pushing back below this resistance. Sorry, pardon. GJ, come on. And if GJ closes below, I'm looking for more sells below this support. 100%. Because what we've got is this 4-hour resistance formed here. So it's kind of a sell from this resistance, ideally down to the next one, which is about 35 pips away. But yeah, these GJ sells were nice. Had to get my pips back, man. London session stole from me this morning. Snatched my pips. And it all happened so quick. The reversals were so quick. Too quick. Boom, 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 boom. Quick pullbacks they were, weren't they? I mean, the way this candle reversed and just pushed straight down into the range, yeah, it wasn't nice. Come on. Nearly at TP. Man, look at that. Let's see how this candle closes, because even though it's pushed up, I still wouldn't take buys on the next one because it's pushed so far away from this range. I would expect a pullback. Gold is gone. Good on you, gold. Finally. Damn. Finally gold's pushing, right? Guess we had to wait. Come on, GJ. Drop a little bit more. I knew GJ was a sell today. You did call it. You did call it from early. You did. We tried. We got slapped. But we came back. We got our pips back. Now, how far up into this range is gold trying to go? That's the question right now. I just don't trust it to push all the way up, I'll be honest with you. And I just need about 3 pips on pound yen to be good. I wouldn't be surprised if gold had a massive retracement here. I can't imagine a Friday sell-off, but I wouldn't put it past gold. Like a fake out. And we just push back through the bottom of this range. Wait, where's the daily candle? Look, daily opens all the way up here. It's a massive drop this morning. So 200 pips during Asian session. Alright, let's let that gold candle close. 4 hour in an hour. Come on, GJ. GJ's the one today. Come on, 3 pips. But a closure below would be perfect. Jump in some more cells. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right, so the support will either hold or break. I think break. Look at gold though. See gold dropping. This is why I didn't trust the gold buyers. This is why. This is exactly why. Look at that top wick. Look at all of these wicks. This is what gold's been doing all morning. When you see something happen over and over again, hopefully you learn. I learned. Man. So maybe the next 30-minute or hour, if it closes below this resistance, we sell now. We have a big sell off for the rest of the day. Anyone catch any trades today apart from the abysmal ones this morning? Said GJ, closure below please. Right, right. Okay, gold isn't completely falling off the map, but this is it's a decent pullback right here. 30 pips. I was pushing back up a little bit. Alright, see how these candles close in the next 3 minutes. I wonder if gold's going to refill this wick. That was quite a push and then a retracement. Looks like this pound yen support might be holding. Maybe get another, if it closes close to the support, you could get another break of the low down here, like another impulse entry. Because I mean, look at this range, clean range down again. 38 pips down to the, I think the 4 hour. What was it? 27 pips. Just gonna put a little line here, represent that 4 hour support right here. Color coded so I know the time frame. Alright, see how this candle closes in 1 minute. Come on, 20 seconds. 5 pips. Nah, I don't think GJ is going to give me that closure below. Let's see what gold's doing. Okay, Okay, we got closed above, but with this massive wick. Just doesn't look good for me. So I'm gonna hold off. GJ impulse entry. If it breaks this low, it should be going down. Got a new 1 hour candle opening. Yeah, man, I see it. I don't think I'll take another one though. I've only got 20% running. But I would definitely be open to adding positions. Because why not? Looks like this support might be holding. Either that or this hour candle's just making a top wick. This gold 4 hour doesn't look great. Hope it doesn't close with indecision. Let's see if my runner gets stopped out. Let me move that asset break even. Two clicks of the magic keys. 2 clicks and I close partials and move my stop loss to break even. It's like literally click, click. So simple. Okay, gold, I'm gonna push up, break the high a little bit. Just a waiting game. Waiting for the setups now. Gold finally broke out of this range. Big retracement. But if this candle breaks the high, obviously I think we push up a bit more. If it doesn't, I think we get a reversal back into the range and then we sell to hell. I think we get a big sell-off. if it creates a lower high here, because it would kind of look like a head and shoulders pattern. Shoulder, head. In fact, this kind of looks like a head and shoulders already on the 4 hour. Let me ask my head and shoulders friend, because she likes a good old head and shoulders. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if this trade survives. Didn't get the closure below, so no continuation just yet. But it's not a bad thing, because I'm thinking maybe this candle, if it doesn't break the high, we close weak bullish, get a continuation pattern, and then we drive down some more. Alternatively, we could get a support and engulf in here. This would be a higher low, and we could push back up to retest the highs. Anything can happen on this Friday. But the daily candle definitely came down and made a longer bottom wick, at least. So let's see if this daily wants to stay bearish, or if it reflips, pushes back up. Dun, dun. Oh shoot. Heathrow closed down. Heathrow's been shut down. Do, 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 do. Oh, GJ still coming down. Perfect, perfect. Respect that previous high. I kind of wanted to close like this, but towards the end of the candle, that's how I want it to close. Still got 20 minutes left, and this candle could just flip bearish, drive down, continue. Hopefully not. Oh, gold wants to keep pushing. Okay, gold. I'm still not interested in any buys right now, honestly. Right, will gold continue to push? If so, where to? I still have a buy target at this resistance if gold wants to push up, but I still think anywhere in this area we get a lower high and then a pullback. And that's just based off this 4-hour structure on gold right now. And it being a Friday, which is, you know, big for gold sell-offs. We have no news though. So we've got this high, then we've got this lower high. We've got this higher low. But this low has been broken. So if gold can make another resistance and lower high, that's why I think it sells. But we do have this support right here, and this has kind of made a higher low. Oh, my friend wants to see this head and shoulders. Okay. I'm not gonna do this. Okay, I know. On my phone. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just drawing on a chart for a friend. Couldn't find anything to clip. I don't want to clip. Don't want to eraser, I just want to hide all drawings. There we go. Screenshot that. Oh shit. Oh. Alright, GJ. GJ looks like it's about to push. Gold, gold, gold. These retracements, these wicks, they're serious. 42 pips if it breaks its own low. Couldn't have done a break of the high and previous low for a stop loss. 82 pips. Like, gotta be careful with gold, man. And I love a clean range. I love a clean range to sell through. But when you get all of these wicks and these pullbacks, doesn't seem like it really wants to push. Alright, new 15-minute candle. So 15s are breaking highs and respecting previous lows, which is good. But yeah, I'm gonna leave gold for now. If I get a closure back below this resistance, this is where I'll be looking. I'll be looking for sells. And then we'll have a nice fake out, closure above, closure back below, sell through. Go on, GJ. You said these GJ sells will be great. Hey, if it can finally break this low, if it can finally push, then yeah, why not? It's taking its time though. Good thing is this respected this previous high. Come on, GJ. Oh, GJ. Alright, it's gone. I stepped away for 2 seconds. GJ. You don't catch it? You know, impulse entries ain't my thing, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. This was called to a T. My runner is still running. But this was the initial trade. Hopefully it just keeps on pushing. But I think we get a big sell-off here. Gold is golding. You know what, since gold isn't doing anything, where's GJ? Anyone catch these GJ sells? Of course you did, Benny. Good stuff, good stuff. All right. Sorry guys, so I got a package from my friends abroad in the States, my besties, my trading buddy, and she sent a nice box of chocolates with a thank you card, so I was just opening it up. It was really nice. Very nice. Damn, there's me thinking of chocolates. It's like some roses. Oh, this is cute. I'll keep this on my desk. Come on, GJ, push. I still want it to close below. Only thing is, there's not really much of a break in the structure. So maybe this 15 can count because it's bullish, but this 15 minute has no top wick. There's quite a few bearish candles in a row. It's gonna have to pull back. So I'm gonna have to wait for structure now on pound yen. So, oh, caps lock is on. Waiting for structure. So I need a little support, resistance, sells. I think we sell all the way, maybe down to here, below. That's what I need. And gold, if it closes below, we're gonna have a nice fake out. Very nice fake out. To me, it kind of looks like it was just retesting this support right here, like a break and retest of this last support. This looks a bit big. Right, let me take this off. Got quite a few trades to mark up today. It's what, my third trade? Third trade. This runner should bring me back to life. So that's it. I've got my money back on pound yen. And should, well, looking to get my money back on gold too. Right, 12:30 candle opening. Got the closure below here. See if we get a bit of a top wick. Yeah, and I need the structure. I've got to wait for it. Go and pull up, top wick. So my broker, there's no bottom wick. Go and drive down. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Rosie, you got in. Nice, 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 nice. Good job, good job. Yeah, we're gonna get a nice sell-off on pound yen today. Very nice sell-off. Look at gold. So we respected this previous level. We've broken a previous low. We've got these long rejection wicks. Yeah, man, gold should sell today, I think. I think gold sells today. Ooh. My broker's moving a lot quicker than TradingView. So yeah, first target is this 4-hour support at 192.40. Then we got this a retest of this daily resistance where we tapped yesterday and bounced off of. Below there, see the daily, it'll be 191.4 on the daily, potentially 191.75. It's the next 4-hour key level if we get a big sell-off. But yeah, I still want to see some structure, just a little bit of structure. Oh, we pushed down, coming back up a little bit. Maybe we're going to get that structure sooner than later. It's a good retest of that broken support though, if it holds. It was kind of the same thing earlier on, this 8:30 candle, where it looked like it was going to be a retest and then this candle just shot up. So it pretty much looks the same, doesn't it? Got the closure below. This candle broke the low, just like this one. And then we just pushed right up. It'd be crazy if that happened twice in one day. I wouldn't put nothing past these markets. Let's go, just making a bottom wick. Still got the new 4-hour opening in 25 minutes. Ooh, this GJ retracement. Yeah, after this push down, that's why I need to wait for structure, because I need a type of break in the drop. Nothing crazy, just support, resistance, sells back down. Just a little retracement. A little structure. Could just be making a 30-minute top wick, just like the last candle. Alright, we're holding below this support. What's gold doing? Good luck for anyone that's in these GJ sells. Alright, GJ. This would have been a great place to catch that entry again. The entry that I missed because it pushed straight down, but it's made this nice top wick. It's respecting this support. It looks real good. I think I missed out on that one. I think it's because I'm already in like some sells with my runner. Yeah, go on. This is nice. We're gonna get this sell off? I think so. Damn, GJ. That was a beautiful drop. Beautiful, beautiful drop. Right, so into the first support, first TP of the day. 4-hour support right here. Alright, 4-hour support. If it breaks, we're heading down to the daily. If that breaks, we've got another 4-hour support right here, 191.75-ish area. But it's looking real good to continue. So yeah, if I was in, if I got in here, I probably would be looking at locking some in, just because it's that higher time frame key level where we know GJ likes to sell to and from. So I'll definitely secure some. But yeah, right now my runner's doing damage. My runner's doing some damage. It's like running at 57 pips. 57 pips. Right, how's gold? Still hasn't closed back below this resistance for the fake out, but I still think it's coming. Just need that closure back below this resistance. But if it holds up here and then we get a support formed on this resistance, I think gold will continue up then. But after this push, I'm kind of expecting to see either this to go up, or just once we get the closure below, then sells all the way down. She said for gold we need that demand zone rope. Alright, new 15-minute candle opening. Alright, look where GJ closed and is pulling back from. Right on the level. Right on the level. So I'm expecting, I don't really expect a massive push up from here, but I am anticipating a bit of a pullback, just because it is that higher time frame key level. So just a little bit of structure down here off this zone would make sense to me. So maybe a little continuation pattern on the 15-minute. Something like that. And gold, where are we going? Are we going up? That's also cool. Gold is just so confused, man. What's weird today is like gold and pound yen, they've kind of been moving in the same direction for a while. You should have a trade calls section. I should, right? But I don't really get bothered about calling trades and not taking them, honestly. Those FOMO days are long behind me. As long as you guys take them, as long as someone takes them, or you see the idea, and if you don't take it but you see the idea and how it plays out, then you know it's a learning lesson, it's a learning opportunity, even for me too. I can go back and see, you know, how come I didn't take it, what was the reason, because most times there's a reason why. And it could be, I think today was really because I've already got a runner going. I did want to take it. It didn't set up for me straight away. Like, it pushed down first, didn't it? Then it pulled back. And then when it came back down, that's when I missed my opportunity again. And that's where I should have taken it, after that top wick, because I needed a bit of a longer top wick. So it's something to review for later. And I always review my day. But like I said, I'm not bothered. I'm not bothered. Okay, gold still got places to go. Higher up, all right. I still don't trust it. I just don't trust it up here. This support still holding on pound yen. Gold still golden. Really a closure above this area should see a bit more of a push up. But if price holds below again, so it's held once, twice, a third time, and it's the new 4-hour candle opening too. Oh, look at that. Could this be a retest of this broken 4-hour support as well? A lot of things lining up for the sells, I think, for gold. I want to take my time with it, because if I get the perfect setup or a good setup, the right entry, It's going to be a monster sell. So 30.38 is a retest. 30.38 around here, where it keeps on tapping. So 4-hour levels are key with gold as well. Obviously, as you can see, we bounce off this 4-hour support. So it very much looks like it's just a retest. So we had the 30-minute one, and this is the 4-hour one. Right there. It's no coincidence where price stops. Never. GJ was definitely the play today, wasn't it? All my money back. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Can't get shaken out by losing trades or a losing session. Just got to come back, do the same thing you always do. It's a probabilities thing. Sometimes the probabilities won't work in your favor, but that's it. Can't let them losses scare you out. And just like that, came back, same conviction. Trade didn't work out earlier, but same kind of trade idea, same bias, good execution, and look, back to break even or even profits. It's a good day. I really want to see how gold closes though. That's GJ. Oof, even GJ needs to close below this 4-hour support, you know. If it doesn't, might get a reversal here. I really hope we don't. But I think it's on the cards. We need to price to close below. Need that bar to stop popping up. 192.4. Close below this support. Look at this 4-hour candle. Oof. And lower high. Two minutes. Go on, just push a little bit further down. So we're comfortably below this support. That'd be wonderful. And then just got to survive the next 4-hour top wick. All right, 30 seconds till we get some candles closing. GJ's looking good. If it can stay where it's at for the next 20 seconds. Gold is looking real good. I like it, I like it, I like it. For our support. Got retested. GJ is dropping. Oh, GJ. But again, not much of a top wick. And this is a new 4-hour candle. It scares me a little bit. It does. But then this previous 4-hour candle doesn't have much of a top wick. What is going on today? It's a weird day. Okay, let me tell you what I'm looking for now. So gold has held below this 30-minute support. It's retested this 4-hour previous support. So break and retest. Now what I want is gold to push back below this resistance so I can get a fake out entry. If gold closes below, I'm looking for sells all the way down to first this 4-hour support, and then potentially all the way down here to 3,007. Honest to God, that's where I'm looking for sells down to. I can just feel a big sell-off. If it happens, then it's going to be a big sell-off. If gold stays above this resistance and then we continue to create uptrend structure, which it could definitely do because we've got this clean range to the left, then I see us heading up to the daily flip or this resistance up here. Right, GJ has left the building, so I don't have any more ideas for GJ, but first target 192, then the next one is this 4-hour support. But yeah, GJ's gone. I've got a runner in. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Hopefully you guys have made some money today. I hope for y'all. Yeah, it's been a decent day. Hopefully get back into some good profits, and I will see you guys on Monday. I'm gonna try to schedule the streams for the week just so you know exactly when I'm streaming. Do we have, let me see what's going on for next week, what kind of news we have while I'm here. Okay, so we got flash manufacturing next week on Monday, so maybe a London session as well as NY. We have nothing on Tuesday. We have pound CPI on Wednesday, so maybe another London session stream. CPI is always fun. On Thursday, final GDP, and Friday retail sales. and core PCE price index for USD. Now, Powell was talking about this price index in his speech. I'm going to have a look at what he was talking about here, because that is definitely going to affect their plans with gold 100%. So I'm going to look out for that, have some type of idea of how to play that move. Yeah, that should be good. But yes, guys, I'm going to try and get that video sorted out by this weekend. I do have a few things to do, but yeah, just a few editing things I need to sort out. And yeah, hopefully drop it tomorrow or Sunday, so look out for that. But alright guys, peace out, have a good weekend.